our
Okay na, wait na.
our representative for
Did
this
your best.
title, please turn on your camera.
Yeah!
So everyone
Kilig na lang. Kilig.
please turn on your cameras for
Ano?
everyone in the Zoom meeting for a
Everyone
quick
is meeting.
pictorial.
Hindi, kuya. Joke lang.
So congratulations to our winner for Best Research Paper. Next up, let us move over to
Wow, Best Oral
our
Presenter.
title of Best Oral Presenter. Given
itong,
for outstanding and
mga
excellent presentation,
Off na lang, wala
as well as
ganun sila.
magnificent
May doon si-
response
si ano,
quality,
sila, Sal.
composure, and confidence. This title goes to
ano naman,
Xander Vince Calvo for his title, Feasible Utilization of Chitosan Synthesized from Baname Prawn, Litopenaeus Vename, and Swahe Shrimp, Metapenaeus ensis in Aquaculture Saline Water Quality Control.
Nami ito siya, promise. Ganyan. Grabe yung ano. Kilig siya.
Congratulations! 500 pesos award will be going to our best research paper and to our
Wow.
best oral presenter.
Congrats.
Congratulations!
Hindi na ako mag-on cam Gawawagin ko sa karta.
Next up, we shall move on to the overall winners of today's Curiosity Crawl. We have, for third place,
Gawawagin ko na karta. Alright.
feasible utilization of chitosan synthesized from Baname prawn, Litopenaeus vename, and Swahe shrimp, Metapenaeus ensis in aquaculture saline water quality control. Xander Calvo of Highland National High School.
Grabe.
Congratulations,
Grabe.
that's our third placer. Let us give a virtual round of applause.
Ang buti ba lang?
A 1,000 peso award will be going to the
Wow,
winner of our
congrats.
third place.
Uy, naku na yun.
Next up, for second place, the second place title goes to Anti-Angiogenic Activity of Philippine Oregano Blackranthus and Politicus leaf ethanolic extract using chorioallantoic membrane CAM assay by Leon Antonio Besar and Al of Liceo de la Salle SHS. Let us give a virtual round of applause.
Dad, matag dad, ikaw lang.
2,000 peso award will be going to our second placers.
Second place na.
Oo, second place.
Lasal.
And
Isa sa
last
inyo,
but not
tatlo.
the least, the title that earns our first place. The first place title goes to Oviposition behavior of stem borus Scirpophaga incertilas and rice bug Leptoporiza oratoria by Jenny K. Sanchez et al. Of Bacolod City National High School. Let's give a virtual round of applause. A 3,000 peso award to our first placers.
Labot.
Thank you all so much for joining us in today's Curiosity Crawl, everyone. I hope you all were able to learn from one another and gain new insights that will help propel all of you forward in the field of science and research. Stay curious and allow those inquisitive minds to solve the mysteries yet to be solved. Allow me to remind those who are availing of the prizes, the finances and logistics help will be contacting the winners within the day regarding your cash prizes. Please give us a moment of your time and turn on your cameras for implementation.
Tuon? Tuon ka diya? Studio ka.
Everyone smile for the photo documentation.
Oh. Studio ka.
So thank you everyone once again for joining us in today's Curiosity Crawl. To formally close today's program, let's have the USLS Pre-Med Society President, Jed Emmanuel, to give today's closing remarks.
afternoon, everyone. So, am I heard lang? So,
Ano?
good afternoon, everyone.
Si Ate
First
Ate
and foremost, let's
Ate
give a
Ate
round of applause to our winners and finalists for their outstanding research presentations.
Uy,
Your
ano,
dedication
grabe.
and innovation
Uy,
truly
grabe
shines
kay Sander.
through.
Abi ko
You
siya.
are a testament to the vibrant and dynamic spirit
Uy,
of our
magamit din
scientific